So this is basically app. Our app is basically a virtual clinic. So this is our login page. So we basically made a dummy registration to fast up this process. So I will just log in the app. So here is a check. So if you want to log in as a doctor, then you should check this checkbox. So right now I'll just log in as a user. So this is the landing page. So our landing page consists of like about us section. So what we do and why we do. Contact us for the users to like get fast in the process
If
of
the
consulting.
users want to get in touch with us, then the contact us will be used. The app has a feature to find my doctor. So when we click on
Yes.
find my doctor, the user can actually search the type in the symptoms that he has been facing, and according to the symptoms, whenever the user clicks on predict disease, the user gets an idea of what he might be going through, and accordingly it makes it easier for the user to select the appropriate doctor for him. The search feature also allows us to search for a doctor according to his name and specialization, so the user can easily find the doctor if he knows him. Now, when we click on the book now feature, it allows the user to fill a form to book an appointment. The user can choose any day within 7 days and an appropriate time. The next text box allows him to input his query or the problem that he's facing. And we have also implemented the upload file feature where the user can upload his previous medical history or records. Now, when we click on book appointment, the user's appointment has been booked and we send a confirmation message to the user about the same.
So we can just like demonstrate this by logging in into the doctor's view. So I will just log in into the doctor's view. So all the pending applications are viewed on this page, like all the patients who have applied for a particular doctor when they log in. So the doctor has basically two options, like he can view the documents they have applied, like the medical report they have sent, and the date and time for the appointment. So he can like accept or reject the appointment. Like it's really easy. So if he clicks on accept, then the appointment is scheduled for him. And if he clicks on reject, then the email is sent to the user that their appointment is not yet approved. So like this is the basic feature.
The navigation at the top of the screen tells the doctor how many requests he has pending, the rejected request, and the ones that he has accepted. Now we also have a chat feature where the
So the
you
chat feature is basically between the, it's like in the beta version right now, but I will just show you how it would work. So like if I'm a patient and I want to consult with a doctor, so
so it allows the patient to connect with the doctor virtually if the patient is unable to fetch an appointment with the doctor.
so this is the chat feature.
And the entire UI has been made user friendly for the user to navigate easily throughout the sections.
So this was all about the virtual clinic, and we plan to make many features in this. Like we plan to take the future, like the previous record, medical records of a patient, and then run some machine learning algorithms on this, and just predict the doctor he may choose or the disease he may have in the similar way. Bhumika, you may stop
Tha-
the recording, I guess.
yeah, thank you.